Hi, this is the model IND 100. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the machine. Okay, as you can see, this model is a little different. It doesn't have the different size rings as you saw in the previous model, which was the IND 100. But you'll notice that the bottom of the wand is tapered for different diameters. This is a 35 millimeter size cap, and it's going to sit perfectly in the center. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 1.5 seconds just to test and see how well the induction works. Again, as it is with all induction sealers, you're going to want to make sure that you center the cap on the wand as much as possible and hold it flat. When you hit the cycle, the machine will automatically go down to 1.5 seconds. It's warm. I'm giving a little bit of time for it to cool down, so that give the adhesive time to set. As you can see, that's a very nice seal. So for this case, the 1.5 seconds is more than enough. I'm going to go ahead and just test it again. And whenever you put these caps in, you're going to want to make sure that you put the cap tightly on the bottle, because that's what applies the pressure to the seal. Once again. Okay, I'm going to give that time to cool. Now this is a larger cap, but this machine can go up to 100 millimeters in diameter. I'm going to leave it at the same setting and see how well it seals. Okay, center it. See this one? You can see how well it seals. And there you go. That's pretty good. In the cases where you have the thickness of the cap may be a little bit thicker, then perhaps you need to go up on the time setting. And once again, the arrows on the right will allow you to adjust the tenths of seconds, while the ones on the left will allow you to go up in seconds. And typically, in most cases, when you first turn on the machine will be set about to 1.5 seconds. In most cases, that's going to be more than sufficient to seal it. But if you need to have a little bit more time, then you could certainly adjust it. Thank you.